Hey guys, Motorcar Nut here, and today we're talking about scratches and scuffs on your paint. I'm going to show you how to remove them really fast, cheap, and easy. Take a look over here. You can see over here, here, and here. Basically, this is for scratches that you really can't feel with your nail. They do not come off with just soap and water or, doing it with a cloth. It could be like, something like, let's say a piece of rubber or a piece of plastic hit the paint by accident and scuffed it just enough. So as long as you can't feel it with your nail, you really can't feel it, it doesn't dig in, you'll get them out. And the ones that do dig in, they may make them lighter, but they won't make them go away. This is only for like the blemishes in the paint like that you're trying to get out. What you're gonna need is a terry cloth. All right, that's a little bit coarser to work the scratch or the blemish. And then a microfiber towel to polish it off. And some polishing compound, not rubbing compound, polishing compound. We don't want to make, glossy spots and make it look worse. So the first thing you do is take some of the polishing compound. You put it on just a little dab like that. All right. Move this to the side, and you work it. See the scratches going horizontal? You work it horizontal. Not too hard, just enough. And with your finger, until you see it disappear. Once you see it kind of disappearing, you stop, all right? And then you just do like a little circle motion, not too hard. Again, you have a new car, you don't want to make like a shiny spot, extra shiny spot. All right, and once it looks like it's pretty gone, like that, then you get your microfiber and you buff it out and flip it around. You'll feel it feel nice and smooth. All right, and now it's gone. And you see the shininess looks all the same. All right. There's other ones there. You see that one's gone? We'll do it again. These three. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Let's see if we can do all of these. Go which way the line is. Don't go too much. As soon as you see it kind of disappearing, you want to stop. Even though this is only polishing compounds, it's still abrasive. And then once you're pretty much look like it's done, then, you just take off the excess. Then we use the microfiber, flip it. Use a fresh panel. And look at that. Gone. There's more right there. Now, over here, we have some kind of a defect in the paint. You see that? It will not take that out. That, would have to be sanded and, painted. That's a different video. But right now, just leave that like that. And let's do these other two right here. A little bit more. That's a little too much. Don't use that much. All right, so a little bit here, a little bit there, and then we work it in. Until it's pretty much disappeared. Then just do a little circular motion. Like I said, get the excess off. Work very light. You can fan it out if you want to blend it in. All right. Then you take a clean microfiber. And then I go like this. And when we first started, we had 1, 2, 3, about 6, and a big one over here. Now look. So you see a little bit over here. All right. No more scratches. See that? And like I said, for blemishes, light little scratches that didn't really pierce the clear coat, you can get them right out. You don't have to have a professional do it and charge you $100 just to do what we just did. All right, guys, more to car up. Please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions below, leave them in the comments. Anybody has suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments. If I can do them, I will. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.